Alright, in this recording sizofocus alana kulo question 5 trigonometry. It's a 5-part question, so brace yourselves. 5.1 all the way up to 5.5. So sine general solution like then for the first question we are using a diagram to solve for these ratios. Then in a substitution lana we also have an expression in the identity together, right? So check out the description box for more recordings for the question paper. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Asibone gela. Let's see go to question 5 was petelin. So 5.1, if theta is a reflex angle and tan theta is equal to -3/4, determine without the use of a calculator and with the aid of a sketch the value of the value of lama ratios now. Alright, okay, so we need a sketch, we need a diagram right? So but theta is a reflex angle. What is a reflex angle? It's an angle that is between 180 and 360. So 180 ulana with 360 is somewhere here. Now between, meaning that triangle yethu izoba ku third quad or the fourth quad. So yikuphi la utan and negative corner? Of course it's the fourth quadrant, so our triangle will lie in the fourth quadrant. So with these types of questions udinga a triangle to simplify ilokanji yakho. So this is the x value, the y value, and then lana sino r the radius, right? So basipe utan la tan theta, this is our theta, it's a reflex angle. Theta is equal to, according to SOHCAHTOA, we know that tan its opposite over adjacent. So in other words, using this triangle we can see that with the tan theta is y over x, meaning that u3, in fact -3 is the y and then u4 is the x. Why y are negative? It's because of the y-axis, the y value in the fourth quadrant is negative. So lana we have u4, we also have u-3. What is the value of r? The whole point or the purpose of using a sketch to simplify is so that uzokwazi calculator all of these values, the x, the y, and the r. Awukhoni ukuthola lama ratios lawa without the complete triangle, meaning that x are be available, y are be available, as well as r are be available. Yes. Now asizela ku 5.1.1 sila bathi sithola ivalue ka sin theta. What is the value ka sin theta? Sin theta according to SOHCAHTOA it's what? It's opposite over hypotenuse. So it's y opposite hypotenuse to r. So it's y over r. What is the value of y? -3. What is the hypotenuse r? It's okay, we're saying calculating, but this is a typical question. 4, 3, then like about 5. But anyway, you have to show this calculation. It's x squared plus y squared. R is always calculated as x squared plus y squared. Now we'll find y. We have to y squared equal to r squared minus x squared. The same value is calculated. X is calculated as x squared, r squared minus y squared. Now let's substitute to find r. X 4, then y 1 -3, then squared last total 16, then last total 9, which is 25. Then r is equal to 25 r squared, squaring both sides. I can see that r is equal to 5. Remember again, the r value is always a positive. That's why ngingathanga plus or a minus. Ngoba by rule r kwamele abe positive, so the r value is 5 la. Now 5.1.2, what do we want la? Sifuna i-value ka cos 2 theta. Now our angle is theta, not 2 theta, so it shows ukuthi le angle le kwamele si simplify further, or this ratio kwamele si simplify further. So cos 2 theta, it's a double angle ka cos, right? So to simplify lena, you can use any of the three identities. Mina ngizosebenzisa this one, it equal to cos squared theta minus 1 equal to 2. What is the value ka cos? Cos kwenje, it's adjacent over hypotenuse, so it's adjacent over hypotenuse. So give about 4 over 5 squared minus 1 equal to, so lana 2 16 over 25 minus 1, 16 times 2 is 32, 32 over 25. So lana it's minus 1. You can use the butterfly method to simplify. 1 times 32, 32, 25 multiplied by 1, that is minus 25, divided by 25 times 1, it's 25. 32 minus 25, isn't it 7? 25, 6, 7, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, it's 32. So therefore lana about 7, so 7 over 25. Now lena answer yethu ke le. Now as an exercise nje, pause le video lena usebenzise the other identities ka cos 2 theta, like 1 minus 2 sine squared, no cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. Usebenzisa lama identities ayi-2 lawa to check ukuthi uthola u7 over 25 as well, ne? Alright ke. Now asiqhubeke size la ku 5.1.3. So ku 5.1.3, this time basiphe u cos theta plus 30 degrees. This is a compound angle. A compound angle kwamele si simplify nayo kuqala before we can kwamele si simplify before we can find the value. So we about cos, I believe it's minus la, but let me double check a formula sheet. Okay, ngathi it's minus, bese la kuba usine, isa load at the phone. Okay. Yeah, it's minus. Ngifuna ukuyiconfirma ngoba angiwabambanga ngenhloko lama formulas. Into engiyaziyo ukuthi it's cos, sine, then la kuba about 30 degrees. So the signs ayachange la ku cos. Equal to, therefore u cos theta ungayikhohlwa phela, ungayikhohlwa le triangle, ungayikhohlwa. X is equal to 4, y is equal to negative 3, r is equal to 5. So lana kuba ubani cos theta, it's adjacent over hypotenuse, so kuba 4 over 5 cos theta square root 3 over 2 minus sine theta, it's opposite over adjacent, no, it's opposite over hypotenuse, so it's minus 3 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 2, so asenze sola lena ngizoyiphanja ku calculator. Okay, alright. 4 times the square root of 3 is 4 square root 3. 5 times 2 it's 10. Negative times a negative, it's a positive. 3 times 1 it's 3. 5 times 2 it's 10. Same base fractions. Now I add uzothola 4 square root 3 plus 3 over 10. Over 10. I think I've fill up. I think he has it without the calculator. So 5.2 lana ngathi bebabapha ama-marks la, so babonile ukuthi hayi no lama questions lawa ayi-2 asekugcineni eish lawa hey siyeza. So lana is just a substitution question, so bakuphe u-x no y but ucalculate u-x squared plus y squared. X squared plus y squared is equal to, where there's x ngiyofaka lo 4 sine theta squared plus 4 cos squared, not squared, uyabona siyaphapha ke manje, squared theta equal to, so 4, alright, okay, ingikhumbuza something le question, yes, ingikhumbuza something. X plus 1, or let's just say x plus y, everything squared. Sometimes unokuthola abanye ama-students ayenza so nabayi-simplify this thing but squared but y squared. No. Beg. If it's x plus y, ucreate 2 ama-brackets afanayo, x plus y, then you FOIL this out, uthole i-answer yakho at ama-like terms, right? But if it's x times y squared, lo 2 uyosquare lo x uyothola u-x squared, lo y square lo 2 asquare lo y uthole y squared, na i-answer yakho. If it's x over y squared, the same is true as above, usquare lo x ubuye usquare lo y, uthole i-answer, done. If it's a plus or a minus, ucreate 2 ama-brackets then you multiply. Ungayenzi this thing, ne? Ungayenzi. So lana ke uyambona lo 4 nalo sign baya multiplyana, ne? Usine uyi-term on her own, u4 uyi-term on her own, so the 4 is multiplying lo sine, lo 4 multiply lo cos lo, so our answer la kuyoba u4 squared 16 sine squared alpha la plus 4 u16 cos squared alpha equal to so 16 is a common factor la, kusala lo sine squared alpha plus cos squared alpha, so ithola ukuthi it's 16 in bracket kuba 1 identity le, so this is equal to 16 kanjalo ke, kanjalo. 5.3 yabona this question but isi simplify the expression to a single trigonometric ratio. So 5.3, what do we do? Basiphe usine 900. Ay abanye abantu abanakuthula man, ungaze ufaka u900 la ucabangani mara bebacabangani labantu, hayi man, no, life inzima ngokwayo, nina niyenze ibe even more difficult. 909 abasathi 540 nyanga abanye abantu. Alright ke, uyabona ke lana we have i-reduction formula, uzoyibona in a moment. Lana sine negative angle, lana we have a reduction formula, lana sinani sine co-ratio. So to simplify lento lena, this reduction formula, yambona lo 900 u greater than 360, so wenza so ke uthi 900 minus 360 uthola 540. 540 is still greater than 360, you minus with 360 again, 180. That's why we need to, this is also a reduction formula. So you change the 900 minus to 180 minus, ne? Multiplied by cos negative angle, this cos negative angle siyithola ku fourth quadrant, so kuyoba positive cos positive angle. Ku-maths we don't work with ama-negative angles, that's why komele simplify to a positive angle la. Okay. Then lana ke for this one there's two ways zokuyenza this one. Lana kufuneka i-sign change rule la, ne? The sign change rule ungayichincha ibe so, which is the method engiyipreferayo, where you just change lo 180 abe positive, so kuba positive 180, then you don't change the x, kuba plus bani x. Why si apply sign change rule? Ngoba ama formulas wethu they are 180 minus or plus 360 minus or plus, ne? Iba so, not as x minus. Yabo le angle le lo 180 nalo 360 they shouldn't be negative. Komele bahlezi banjani ba positive. So that's why sichincha lo 180 kuphela then uyibhala so, right? Ungayenza so, or I prefer this one kwesinye isikhathi minus sign change rule vele lesijwayele. Then we solve for this negative angle. After solving for this negative angle, usala nalo 180 minus. So sine negative angle is minus sine 180 degrees. But anyway, sizofika la. Okay. Mina ngeke ngiyenze so ngiyoyenza ngale ndlela le. Uyabona? If ngithatha this method, ngiyoba na one step extra. So lana I just apply this one, ne? Now, in most of them, ama recordings I've been applying this one. So this time, this one is one. So sine 90 co-ratio. So what's the co-ratio of sine over the cos? So give out positive cos x. Sine 180 minus ithola ku second quad. It's cast. Sithola ku second quad to sine u positive. So it's sine x multiplied by cos x minus 100 sine 180 plus ithola la ku third quad, and usine with third quad unjani un-negative nangulo negative, yabona nangu uyaphuma futhi lapho, multiplied by cos x equal to sine x multiplied by cos x kuba plus sine x cos x, le plus le isinikeza u2 sine x cos x. Alright, but the question is to a single trigonometric ratio. Single, sino sine, sino cos, so it's not a single trigonometric ratio. Komele si simplify further. So this looks familiar, yini a double angle ka sine. So we have sine 2x. Now I answer it again as a single trigonometric ratio. If we share la, anya kulithola le mark le 5.4. So basinande space asenze so. So 5.4 sina identity ke la. Eish, an ugly one. A very ugly one, a hideous one. Left hand side, buyala. 2 cos 3x. Let's talk about lo sine 7x for a moment. Let's focus here. Right. If it was sine, let's say maybe sine 4x. Since 4x we odd number, 4 we odd number, then lo 4 besingambhala is a double angle. If this was a odd number, if the number was an even number, besingakhona ukuyibhala as a double angle. But since it's a odd number, sizoyibreaka sibhale this whole ratio as a compound angle. Ne? Sibhale le ratio as a compound angle. Why? It's because of sine 7x akasolveki. And on the right hand side sino sine 4x, ne? As sino sine 4x. So it's only logical ukuthi si splitted this thing lena into 3x plus 4x. Ngapha nginokuvela u4 ngaphansi kuno 3x, meaning that phezulu kwamele kube no cos 3x ozokwazi ukukhansela lo cos 3x ola ngaphansi, and then eventually kusale usine 4x. Uyabona ukuthi somewhere phezulu la sibe no sine 4x nalo cos 3x, so 3 plus 4 is 7. So lana ke sizothi sine 7x sombhala as 4x plus 3x plus sine x divided by 2 cos 3x. I feel like ngike ngayibona somewhere, man, this identity. I don't know where, but it looks familiar, you know. But all right, anyway, this is an identity. I mean a compound angle lapha phezulu. So siyenzani ke manje? Sithatha, simplify this one. Yazi, I am 2 steps ahead. Ngiyabo ukuthi lo sin x lo uzongihlupha lo, but asolve sibona. Sin 4x bese kuba u cos 3x kuba u plus la isine ayichange. You sure? Yeah, I change. Then kuba u sin 3x, then kube ubani, kube u cos 4x plus u sin x divided by 2 cos 3x. Okay, lo sin uyangihlukumeza. Okay, on the right hand side kumele sisale nalo sin 4x. Now ngikhona sin 4x now. But the problem is, okay, all right, no ngiyabona ke manje, ngiyabona. Lo sin x ustop progress yethu la. Uyiblock nje, uyasiblock uthi no. Ngoba okay, yabona kula step list, there's nothing else esingakuyenza la. There's nothing else to do. Something must be done but ngalo sin x. After senza leyo nto leyo ngo sin x, we can simplify further again. So nayi proposal enginayo. Sin 4x cos 3x plus sin 3x cos 4x plus nayi proposal yam sithi sin 4x minus 3x. Ubonile the same logic or the same reasoning esiyisebenzisile lapha to break u 7x to 3 plus 4. Nalana ke lo x ngiyombhala as u 4x minus 3x. The idea is to make sure ukuthi kuba no 4x no 3x kuphela, ne, as ama angles. Kuba no 4x no 3x, not to x, but 4x and 3x. Ngoba cos u 3x komela cancel lokho kula ngaphansi. U 4x it's something ekomela isale la igcineni. Yes? Then we continue. 2 cos 3x equal to, is young and error le problem. Ingenza ukuthi ngibe feel uncomfortable. There's this uncomfortable feeling ngale nto le. Hayi ukuthi difficult, just with man iyabhora nje. Iyabhora. So it's sin cos sin 4x cos 3x minus sin 3x multiplied by cos 3x, everything divided by 2 cos 3x equal to, all right. hayi sicedile bangani bami. Le nayi-like term yakhona la, this one nayi-like term yakhona lapha. So these two like terms azokhanselana ngoba i-one positive enye i-negative, then lana it's both positive, so siyoba no 2 sine 4x multiplied by cos 3x divided by 2 cos 3x. Cancel, sisala nalo sine 4x. Voila, zimzala, bim, magic ba, magic. Alright, simplifyile ke, siprovile le identity la ku 5.4.2, for which values is the identity above undefined. Determine the general solution of x for which the identity is undefined. What is something that is undefined? This is undefined. 3/0, undefined. Calculator yakhe iyaqakeka now divide la. 8/0, undefined. So yalo guys, calculator yakhe isuke iscreama nangabe divide any value, any number or any value by 0. So nalana ke, this identity yoba undefined if and only if 5.4.2, if and only if 2 cos 3x is equal to 0. The identity becomes undefined if this is true. If the denominator is equal to 0, then it is undefined. Okay, alright, then we simplify. Sifuna general solution ga x, kuba cos 3x equal to 0. Ngabe confused, lo 0 phezulu this time, so 0 divided by any number, it's always 0, ne? So the general solution ke la ubani, cos 3x is equal to bani 0. You don't need a reference angle for the general solution, but instead you want ama-points where graph yakho ka cos 3x where igraph yethu iba u0 khona, iqala nginamanga iqala la i-cos function u0, ithi 90, 180, 270. So okay, so it's 0 degrees, 90, siba no 0 degrees la, right? Not 0 degrees, but it's 0. La ku 90 degrees i-function yami uba ubani 0, so lana siba no 180 at a turning point, lana sibe nobani no 270 at 0, then it's 360 lana at 1, ne? So if ngi extendela to the left le graph yami izoba u0 lana ku minus 90, ibe u0 na ku minus 270, na ku minus 270. So it's up to you, So if we focus on the positive side of the function, uzothatha 90 nobani no 270. So asenze njalo ke, let's do that. So i-solution yami, it's actually what, 3x equal to 90. Function yami is 0 at 90. We say plus k times the period of the function. Yes, divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. X is equal to 90 over 3 sithola ngayiki 30 plus 360 divide by 3, it's 120 k element, man, what's happening? Oh, ben, you're confused. K times 120, then it's k element of integers, or 3x equal to 270 plus k multiplied by 360. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. Then x is equal to, what is 270? Divide by 3 in total 90. So it's plus 90k times 360 is a period. We are papa. It's 120 la. K element of integers. Nice solution here together. 5.4.2. 5.5. 5.5. 5.5. In fact, the question ngabe ngiyayekela le. Ngizenzele yona. Nizibone ukuthi niphuma njani na. Ngoba iyangishaya mina le question. Iyangishaya. Sterek. Okay. Let's see bafunanda. So, but to calculate the general solution of x if 2 sine 3x plus 20 degrees is equal to 2 cos theta. Alright, so the general rule is that uma solve a general solution, you need to have only one trig ratio. Kwamele ube ne trig ratio a1 per. Trig ratio ibe equal to a number. So ijive la inkinga ukuthi lana we have two yama trigonometric ratios, sine sibuye sibe nobani no cos. That is a problem. But lucky for us, sina something called a co-ratio. Co-ratio. Ngikhulumile ngayo somewhere lana. A co-ratio. So sine and cos, they are co-ratios of each other. Back. Asenze life ibe simple by saying divide by 2, divide by 2. Dala la 2 ba cancel. Usale lo sine 3x plus 20 degrees cos x. Voila. So we have sine 3x plus 20 degrees equal to, so we only need one trigonometric ratio. So I can write sine as a co-function. I can write sine as a co-function or as a co-function here, meaning that ngikomele ngibhale sine as a co-function ka cos, right? Or I can write cos as a co-function ka sine. Ngichaza ukuthi I need to write cos as a co-function, so it's 90 degrees minus saying now one trigonometric ratio, sine and sine. Sine 90 degrees minus x inginikeza ubani cos back. So ilento bengisho ukuthi I need to write cos as a co-function ka sine, so that ngibe ne trigonometric ratio a1. So if nangabe ne trigonometric ratio a1 but lama angles akafani, law 3x plus 20 it's 90 minus x akafani lama angles law. So we just drop labu sine, then say 3x plus 20 is equal to 90 minus x, right? And then lo sine lo now unjani positive, so therefore on the first quadrant now is solution here. It's 3x plus 20 degrees equal to 90 minus the angle on the left is equal to the angle on the right plus k times 360. Then we solve or make x the subject of the formula. In this case 3x plus x is equal to 90 degrees minus 20 plus k times 360. 3x plus x, that is 4x. 90 minus 20, isn't it 70? Plus k times 360 divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. So x is equal to 70 divided by 4, 17,5, plus k times 360, where k is element of integers. So usually ngithanda ukubhala this thing ekugcineni, hayi ukuthi ngibhale on every step of the calculation yami. So vele uyibhale ekugcineni, not ekuqaleni, only ekugcineni. Life yakhe izoba simple kanjalo. Right, usine ikuphi la opposite. On the first quadrant we know that usine positive. On the second quadrant as well usine yoba njani, yoba positive. So or the second quad sithola another general solution. Ubani 3x plus 20 equal to, on the second quad you know 180 minus and an angle. So this angle yilo theta la. So we have 180 minus minus 90 degrees minus x, this angle, plus k times 360. Then we solve for x, plus 20, 180 minus 90 plus x, plus k times 360, about 3x, go minus x lana, and then 80 minus 90 minus 20, 90 minus 80, 70, 80, what's happening? Minus 90 minus 20, it's 70 again. Okay, then it's plus k times 360 degrees. 3x minus x, stola bani, stola 2x, equal to 70 plus k times 360. Guys, now we enjoy content in creator. Please like, share and subscribe. Right, then lana siyobano x equal to, as the final answer here too. Isn't it the same? No, it's not. 70 divided by 2, 35. So we about 35 degree plus k times 360, k element of integers. Now answer here too, guys. So this is the last question, lana question 5, which by the way it took me like, I had to re-record. Komele ngi-record it 3 times lento le. The first one ngi-recordile ngakhohlwa, okay, bengekho aware ukuthi microphone ayikho on. Nga-recorder for almost 30 minutes, over 30 minutes. Nase ngipressa ulokai stop. Ngibona ukuthi microphone yami off. For the second one, I don't know what happened, but the audio bengaswakali. So I'm hoping good for this one. Ngibambi jackpot ngoba sengikhathele ukurecorda this question. So I hope we enjoyile. Ungakhohlwa ukulike, ukushare nokusubscribe. Check out the description box for more content. So question 5, signing out. Sharp.